Trust me, your phone cannot do this. There's this tiny gadget that claims to translate 144 languages, make calls, text, and even talk back using ChatGPT. No app needed. That gadget is the Wooask A9. And today, we're going deep to see if this actually lives up to the hype.
All right, guys, so what is it? Think of the Wooask A9 as your travel triple threat. It's all in one, and it fits in your pocket. It's got a slick touchscreen, detachable earbuds, and even its own speaker, so you don't have to headphone yourself to death. And when you're online, it handles a whopping 144 languages and accents. That's right. And traveling without the internet? No problem. 16 of the most common languages still work full-time without connection. And there's also an HD camera. Haha. Yep, all you gotta do is point, snap, and instantly you'll be able to read translations of menus, signs, and whatever else you want to read. It's also got a SIM slot and 4G plus Wi-Fi support, so you can call, text, or hotspot others without your phone. Oh, and it surfs the internet with built-in ChatGPT for on-the-fly tips or just something clever that you want to ask it. So you guys need to know the early bird Kickstarter price is 40% off, and it's expected to land you in the A9 world this fall. And October deliveries are starting soon.
All right, guys, so how does it work? Okay, let's see how slick it is. Imagine saying something and boom, under 0.5 seconds later, you've got a translated response. That's a real-time speed, powered by Qualcomm quad-core chips, and confirmed 98% accuracy. And to keep things quiet in busy airports or markets, it's packing dual mics with environmental noise cancellation. So what you say in here stays clean and between the ears, Rudeboi.
Like that.
And for how you listen or share, it's your call. Earbuds for private chats, or speaker mode if you're with a group, or hitting the street where earbuds fall out. And if you're in a no signal zone, those 16 offline languages have your back, Rudeboi. Stick in a SIM, and suddenly it's your backup phone and personal Wi-Fi hub. ChatGPT Inside means you don't have to just translate. You can ask, where's the best dumpling stand around here? And it gives you a real answer. Battery-wise, each earbud lasts about 5 hours of continuous power. The beefy 1500 mAh case stretches total use to over 36 hours. And you get up to 30 days on standby. Essentially, nothing dies mid-trip.
Right, so what does Rudeboi think? I think if you're hopping from country to country and you travel a lot, this thing covers a ton. Translating, calls, Wi-Fi, photos, ChatGPT, that's a beautiful mix of tremendous power, in my opinion. People are saying the retail will hover around $399 to start. I think if you guys could get that 40% off Kickstarter, would be a great thing to do.
What does Bruce think? Well, I think this is great. I personally use it. I don't speak Spanish. And if I'm traveling abroad and I'm single, which I am, and I want to pick up a hot Latina, well, I'm going to break out this device and I might charm this little mommy. But remember though, you're mostly buying promises pre-production, Rudeboi. No units are shipping as of yet. But if it delivers on all this, it could change how tech-savvy travelers pack. But obviously, we're gonna need some real reviews to know.
So we wanna know, would you swap your app arsenal for one gadget that handles everything in one? Or you wanna stick with that beautiful iPhone or Android you have? Drop what you think in the comments. And if the Wooask A9 just made you say, whoa, hit subscribe, hit like, and stay tuned. We got much more coming in smart tech breakdowns headed right your way, boys.
That's right, folks. Till next time.